Good morning, everybody. This is the second official Mintcoin Community Weekly News Update for September 27th, 2014. I'll be your host today. My name is Jessica Hartman, aka Crypto Mommy on the social networks. So if you have any questions about anything in here, please feel free to contact us and we'll be able to give you more information on the details. First off, I'd like to announce the Dream Bitcoin seminar announcement. We are pleased to announce that we'll actually be speaking through a presentation as well as answering questions via Skype to a population of over 600 people in Africa who are interested in expanding their businesses online. We'll be suggesting Mintcoin as a payment method for these people and give them some tips on how they can get their store started. So if you'd like to sign up for this seminar, please visit the link below, and we look forward to hearing your questions on this. We're very excited about this opportunity. We are currently beta testing our next release for the desktop wallet. This one we've taken a lot of information from the community. We will be including a recurring payment option. So if you are a merchant who is offering a subscription type service, perhaps it's web hosting, or maybe you want to send a monthly donation towards our development needs, or a campaign or a charity of your choice, it'll be as easy as a click of a button inside your wallet, and it'll automatically send that out to you. That was a wonderful recommendation from the community, and we're extremely excited to be able to release this back to you. In addition, we are actually working with the wallet to offer a customizable interface for personalization. We foresee this in the future being used for businesses or charities or organizations that wish to distribute their own personalized, Mintcoin wallet, where they are actually featuring their news and their information versus the core development. We are working on QR code generator for merchants. This right here is extremely easy to use. It's in preparation of the Android wallet. So all you would do is you would create an address and then you would click on it. And when you click on it, it'll generate a QR code for you that you can easily download to your computer and upload to your site, so you can accept those mobile payments via Mintcoin with a quick scan. So that is being released. We are also working on updating the node list for faster syncing. So we'll definitely be improving that. We have worked with some user-friendly enhancements, just textual. This is how, remember to back up your wallet. If you're looking for more information, or if you're new to the wallet, we want to make sure that everything is as user-friendly and easy to find as possible. There were also a few bugs that were reported in Reddit, which we have fixed in this release. One in the transaction view and one in the send from view. So look forward to that. Android wallet. The first wave of beta testing has now come to an end. Papsy has taken all of the information and feedback that you guys have submitted. Thank you very much. And he is in the process of a beta version 2, which we will be releasing to some more people and the public for beta testing. So please note that if you are one of the beta testers, this is not something that you should be storing, all of your Mintcoins on. Maybe send a couple hundred, pass them back and forth, and we just want you to kind of test it and once again send all of the feedback that you can and try to break it. So we want to make sure that it's secure for when the public release, to make sure it's an optimal user experience. Branding development. As some of you may have noticed, Mintcoin has gone through a lot of changes in the last 6 months, including the logo and the website. So what we're doing is we have an extremely talented team of professionals who are working together to create a new branding package for the community. Included in this package will be a new official Mintcoin logo, official branding colors, and standard font documentation for when you're building out your website or any types of banners. We love creativity. We love you guys sending us stuff, and we just like to keep that formal. Now, we are also working heavily on a Mintcoin mascot. Very excited about this, so stay tuned. He is going to come out, and he is going to help us educate the world on Mintcoin and what we're doing to move forward as a cryptocurrency, as a payment solution, and as a charitable solution solution. So please stay tuned for the official announcements. We'll be releasing it on Facebook, Reddit, Bitcoin Talk, and Google Plus. So we look forward to that. Mining for charity. We are still working on the sponsor Keypod Kit. Last week's donations have decreased, and we would like to ask the community, all communities, to kind of help us, start getting that back up. We have a very big goal. We're trying to raise a total a little over 5,000. Right now, we have just over 500. We need this before the end of December 31st, and we will be celebrating Bitcoin's first official birthday with the release of the news that sponsoring these kids with internet and personalized computer access, as well as education on internet safety. So we encourage you for the month of October to kind of help us with this, to take your miners. If you do have any miners, get them going again, whether it's your laptop or whatever it is that you have to mine, and point it to your favorite currency. These are the addresses that are all collected on a weekly basis. We transfer everything once a week to Bitcoin, and we send it out to Keypod for our weekly donations. And they are helping us out significantly in spreading the word and getting this good cause out there. And we just want to make sure that as a community, not just a Mintcoin community, but as a cryptocurrency community, that we really put our best foot forward and help these people understand, in Africa, that cryptocurrency is to be treated kind of like a currency. It's a trading, you can use it, and it's solid, and it's secure. So please help us donate, and let's get this campaign off on the right foot. And once again, I'd like to go ahead and conclude this podcast with just a quick review of our 6-month milestone schedule for September. September is coming to an end, and it's important that we kind of take a look and reflect and make sure that we're on task. So the Android application launch, we're doing a second phase of beta testing. This may move into maybe the first week or so of October, but it is well underway. The Keypod campaign, we've covered that. We are looking for more donations, more contributions. So if you can, every little bit helps, and we truly appreciate it. Google AdWords campaign, we're still looking for more funding before we do our next wave of that. The Learning Center documentation, we now have 3 different languages that we are working on migrating the entire site over to. So be on the lookout for that. We also have a bunch of Spanish videos that will be posted, and we have the YouTube channel, which we're populating all of this with as well. So we will continue working on this. We've also taken the Learner Center documentation and kind of intertwined it into the wallet with just helpful resources there as well. So that is well underway. Website overhaul, we are still working on that, and we will continue to do that for some months. The desktop wallet, we are finished our first initial beta testing. We are working on second flow of beta testing, and we're hoping to have that out by the first week of October. Mint for Cash, I'm still waiting for the final announcement on that, but it's coming very soon. As we discussed last week, Mintcoin Shops has officially launched. We're still, please get your businesses listed in there. We do want to make this a big part of our entire campaign. And the community-owned Mintcoin Explorer, we do have everything that we need. We got our first month's donations. So what we are going to do is right now we're in the process of picking out the server that we're going to use. And thank you very much for the donation, whoever that was. And we'll get the new Explorer up. And then at that point, we're going to have a donation URL where we hope that, maybe you'll, use the recurring payment solution and just send a little bit every month and help us with our hosting costs. We want to keep this information online for our community, and it does cost money, and we do need some help as far as making sure that we're able to pay those bills and keep this information and services available for you guys. So we're looking forward to that. And Mintcoin nonprofit registration is still underway. We got our first announcement this month, and we're looking for finalization in the next 3 to 6 months. So anyways, you guys are all absolutely wonderful. There's so many people coming out on the communities and helping new people download their wallets and understand Mintcoin and answering questions and donating their skills, whether it's project management or project ideas or graphics or content. We truly, truly, truly appreciate it. I also want to kind of leave as a final note that we are currently voting on a lottery system website where people would go ahead. It would be in Bitcoin only at this time, and people would be able to enter a lottery for a set fee, and the winner of the lottery would get 70%, and the final 30% would be donated towards the KeyPod campaign. So we're looking for feedback if this is something that you guys are interested in before we move forward and develop it. So please, leave us some feedback, and whether it's Twitter or whether it's Bitcoin Talk or Reddit or Facebook, and just let us know that if you would be interested in supporting this. So happy minting, everybody, and don't forget to check out the multi-pool that's new, and keep on minting. You guys are awesome. Stay fresh.